In this video, we'll explore the WooCommerce POS price list, which lets admins create discount rules and display discounted prices directly in the POS store. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. Firstly, we will start with the admin configuration. Then go to Point of Sale and select Discount Rules. Here, all the discount rules will be listed. As of now, you can see that 2 rules have already been created. One rule offers 20% off on clothing, and another is buy one, get one on music. Now let's see how to create a new discount rule. To do this, simply click on the Add New button. Here, you need to enter the discount price label, select the status as enabled or disabled, and specify the start date and end date. Then we need to specify the minimum cart quantity. This means the minimum number of items required in the cart for the price list rule to be applied. In other words, the discount rule will only become applicable once the defined minimum quantity is reached. Then we need to select the price type, whether it is fixed or percentage-based. After that, enter the computed price. Next, specify the discount priority. Finally, choose the customer type, whether the discount will be applicable to all customers or only to selected customers. We also have an option to exclude customers. This means if I select specific customers to be excluded, the discount rule will not apply to them. Next, we need to choose where the discount will be apply on. If we select global, the rule will be applicable to all products. If we choose product categories, we must select a specific category. For example, accessories. If we choose product, the discount will apply only to a particular product, such as sunglasses. Lastly, if we choose product variations, we need to specify the exact product variation to which the rule will apply. The first rule I created was 20% off on clothing, so let's view it. Here you can see that I have set the discount price label as 20% off on clothing and the status as enabled. I have also specified the start date and end date. Here, the minimum cart quantity is set to 1, which means as soon as I add any product from the clothing category to the cart, the discount will be applied automatically. The price type is set to percentage, and the computed price is 20, so a 20% discount will be applied. The discount priority is set to 1. The customer type is set to all, which means this discount rule will be applicable to all customers. I have selected none under exclude customers, so no customers are excluded from this rule. In the Apply On section, I have chosen product categories and then selected the clothing category, so the discount will be applied to all products under this category. So this was the rule for 20% off on clothing. Now let's move to the POS dashboard to see how it works. When I select any product that belongs to the clothing category, the 20% discount is applied automatically. For example, I'm selecting a t-shirt, which has a price of $18. As you can see, a $3.60 discount has been applied automatically, which is 20% of $18. This is how the price list rule works. After applying the discount, the total payable amount becomes $15.84, including tax. Once the payment is confirmed, the invoice is generated successfully. Similarly, if I select any product that does not belong to the clothing category, for example, this album, no discount will be applied. The actual price is $15 and it remains $15. However, if I select a product from the clothing category, such as a t-shirt, a $3.60 discount is applied automatically, which is 20% of the original price. If I select a hoodie with a logo, I will receive the discount. If I choose a long-sleeve tee, the discount will also be applied. Likewise, if I select sunglasses, I will get the discount because they belong to the clothing category. However, if I select a single or an album, which do not fall under the clothing category, no discount will be applied to those products. The 20% discount is applied only to the products that belong to the clothing category. Products outside this category do not receive any discount. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.